Welcome back to Daily English Fluency. Today, we're exploring how to communicate effectively when shopping in the US. We'll go through 10 key situations with detailed dialogues to help you feel confident while shopping. Joining me today is Michael, our language and culture expert.
Hi Jane, shopping in the US is a great experience, but understanding the cultural norms and language can make it even better. Let's dive into it. That's a wrap for today's episode on shopping in the US. We hope these conversations help you feel more confident the next time you go shopping in an American mall. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try repeating the dialogues, pay attention to pronunciation, and most importantly, don't be afraid to use these phrases in real life.
So grab a notebook or just sit back and enjoy the conversations. Let's get started.
Situation: Jane visits a mall for the first time and needs help finding a specific store.
Excuse me, this is my first time here. Could you help me find the Zara store?
Of course, Zara is on the second floor, right next to the food court. If you take that escalator up, turn left, and walk straight, you'll see it on your right.
Great, thank you. Also, do you have a mall directory or a map?
Yes, there's a digital directory right over there. And if you'd like, you can also download our mall app. It has an interactive map, store locations, and even promotions.
That's really helpful. One more question, where are the restrooms?
The restrooms are on the first floor, near the main entrance, just past the information desk.
Thank you so much. Tip: many malls in the US have digital directories or mobile apps that help you locate.
Situation: Jane is looking for an elegant dress for a formal dinner and asks a store associate for help.
Hi, I'm looking for a dress for a semi-formal evening event. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. Are you looking for something fitted or more flowy?
Something elegant but comfortable, maybe a cocktail dress or a midi dress.
I think I have just the thing for you. Our new collection just arrived. Let me show you some of our best-selling pieces.
I love this navy blue one, but I'm not sure about the size. Do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check in the stockroom. What size do you usually wear?
I'm usually between a size 4 and 6.
I'll bring both sizes so you can try them on and see which fits better.
That sounds great. Where are the fitting rooms?
They're at the back of the store. Let me know if you need anything else while trying them on.
Tip: if you're unsure about your size, ask, do you have this in a smaller, larger size?
Excuse me, can you tell me what material this dress is made of?
Yes, it's a silk blend 90 silk and 10% polyester.
Oh, it feels so soft. But I want to make sure, can I wash it in the machine, or does it require dry cleaning?
I'd highly recommend dry cleaning only. Silk is very delicate, and machine washing could damage the fabric.
That's good to know. Does it wrinkle easily?
Yes, silk does tend to wrinkle, but you can steam it gently to remove wrinkles. Avoid using a regular iron on high heat.
Thank you. That's really helpful. Tip: always ask about care instructions before buying delicate fabrics. Is this machine washable?
Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. But before I buy this, what's your return policy in case the dress doesn't fit?
You can return or exchange it within 30 days, as long as the tag is still attached and you have the receipt.
That's good to know. And what about sale items?
For sale items, we offer exchanges only, no refunds.
Got it. Do you accept Apple Pay?
Yes, we do. Just tap your phone on the reader.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Tip: always check return policies before purchasing, especially for sale items. What's your return policy? Excuse me, I think this sweater was marked as $29.99, but it rang up as $39.99.
Let me check. You're right, it's on sale. I'll adjust the price for you.
Thank you. Also, do you have any promotions or coupons available?
If you sign up for our loyalty program, you'll get 10% off today's purchase.
That sounds like a good deal. How do I sign up?
You just need to enter your email and phone number. Would you like to do that now?
Yes, please. Tip: always check for discounts. Do you have any promotions today?
Situation: Jane bought a pair of shoes yesterday, but when she got home, she noticed a defect. She returns to the store to request an exchange.
Hi, I bought these shoes here yesterday, but when I got home, I noticed there's a small tear on the side. Can I exchange them for a new pair?
I'm so sorry about that. Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me take a look. Yes, I see the defect. Since it's a manufacturing issue, we can exchange them for a new pair at no cost.
That would be great. Do you have the same pair in stock?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Would you like to try them on to make sure they fit perfectly?
Yes, please.
Here you go. If you need any help, let me know.
These fit perfectly. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience. Have a great day.
Tip: if you need to return or exchange an item, always bring the receipt and check the store's return policy beforehand.
Situation: Jane is buying a gift for a friend and wants it professionally wrapped at the store.
Hi, do you offer gift wrapping services?
Yes, we do. We have different wrapping options, including classic wrapping paper, gift bags, and decorative boxes. Would you like a ribbon or a bow?
A ribbon, please. How much does the wrapping service cost?
It's $5 per item, or free if you spend over $50.
Oh, great, since my total is $55. That means I get free wrapping, right?
That's correct. Would you also like a gift receipt included?
Yes, please. That way, if my friend needs to exchange it, they can do so easily.
Absolutely, it'll be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
Tip: when buying a gift, ask, do you offer gift wrapping? And can I get a gift receipt? Situation: Jane has been shopping for a while and is getting hungry. She wants to know what food options are available.
Excuse me, could you recommend a good place to eat around here?
Sure. Are you looking for a sit-down restaurant or something quick from the food court?
I'd prefer a sit-down restaurant, something casual, but with good food.
We have an Italian restaurant called Pasta House on the second floor and a Mexican restaurant called Taco Fiesta near the main entrance. Both are very popular.
That sounds great. Which one is less crowded right now?
I'd say Taco Fiesta is usually less busy around this time. Would you like me to check if they have available tables?
That would be awesome. Thank you.
No problem. Just give me a second. Yes, they have tables available now. You can head over and they'll seat you right away.
That's perfect. Thanks for your help.
Tip: if you're unsure where to eat, ask, what food options do you have here? Or, which restaurants do you recommend? Situation: Jane checks her receipt after making a purchase and realizes she was overcharged. She returns to the store to correct the mistake.
Hi, I just bought this sweater, but I think I was overcharged. The price tag said $29.99, but my receipt shows $39.99.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me check the system. Yes, it looks like it should be $29.99. I'll issue a refund for the difference right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Should I swipe my card again? Or will it automatically adjust?
It'll be refunded to the card you used. You should see the adjustment in 3 to 5 business days.
All right, thanks for fixing that.
No problem. Sorry again for the mistake. Have a great day.
Tip: always check your receipt before leaving the store. If you see an error, politely say, I think I was overcharged for this item. Situation: Jane had a bad experience with an unhelpful store associate and wants to speak to the manager.
Excuse me, is there a manager I could speak to?
Yes, I'm the manager. How can I help you?
I had a disappointing experience with one of your employees. I asked for help finding my size, but they were very dismissive and unhelpful. They barely acknowledged me and walked away while I was still asking a question.
I'm really sorry to hear that. That's not the kind of service we aim to provide. Do you remember the employee's name or what they looked like?
I didn't catch their name, but they were working in the shoe department about 10 minutes ago.
Thank you for bringing this to my attention. I'll have a conversation with them to make sure this doesn't happen again. Can I help you find what you were looking for?
That would be great. I was looking for these sneakers in a size 7.
Let me check our stock. Yes, we have them. Let me grab a pair for you right now.
Thank you for handling this so professionally.
Of course, again, I apologize for the inconvenience. We appreciate your business.
Tip: If you experience bad service, politely ask, "Can I speak to a manager?" If you found today's episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment sharing your own shopping experiences. Also, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for tuning in to Daily English Fluency. See you in the next episode. Until then, happy shopping and happy learning.